This Century 21 Howe Realty and Auction property video is presented by Debbie Nokes. Use your imagination and envision all the potential this property offers. Located on Industrial Park Road, this 1584-plus/square foot building is convenient to schools, local factories, and shopping in downtown Sweetwater. Property is currently in use as a church, but with 15-plus parking spaces, 2 separate baths, 2 entrances, and the potential for an open floor plan, the possibilities are endless for a small business. This one needs to be seen in person to truly be appreciated. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Nokes at 423-337-9355.